Today, I'm going to show you a simple yet powerful way to add calendar invites directly into your marketing emails using HubSpot and Google Calendar. By the end of this video, you'll be able to let your email recipients instantly save your event to their calendars with just one click. A great way to boost attendance at webinars, demos, launches, or any event you're promoting. Let's jump right in. We'll be using the method of embedding a public event link from Google Calendar right into your HubSpot email. This is straightforward, but I'll guide you through each step with tips to make sure everything goes smoothly. First up, we need to actually create the event in Google Calendar. So, open up Google Calendar and hit Create to start a new event. Here's where you'll want to enter every detail your audience needs. Think about the date, the start and end time, and of course, a clear event name. If your event has a location, specific description, or any special instructions, add that in as well. The key here is to make this super clear, because whatever you fill in will be exactly what ends up on your recipients' calendars. Once you're happy with the details, click Save. Give yourself a second to review it. The little things like checking the time zone or confirming the meeting link can make a big difference for your invited guests. Now, let's make this event something you can share. Click into your event on Google Calendar and look for the option that says Publish Event or Get Shareable Link. It might take a moment to locate. Sometimes it's buried in the event settings or under the three-dot menu, but don't worry if you have to poke around. This generates a URL anyone can use to add your event to their own calendar. By using a public, shareable link, you're making it effortless for folks to participate. No barriers, no complicated instructions. Once you've found it, go ahead and copy that link. Just make sure you've copied the entire thing. Double-check that nothing got cut off if you're on your phone or using a touchpad. Next, hop into HubSpot and open up the marketing email where you want to feature your invite. Think about what will actually catch your reader's eye. A clickable image or some inviting text works well. For example, you might say, save the date, or have a graphic that says add to calendar. Highlight the text or click on your image, and in the rich text editor, look for the link icon. It usually looks like a chain. Paste the copied Google Calendar event link into the URL field. This is a crucial moment. You're connecting your calendar event to your email content, turning a regular message into an actionable invitation. Finally, just click Add Link to finalize it. Now, whenever someone clicks that text or image in your email, they'll be whisked straight to your Google Calendar event where they can instantly save it. It's seamless for your recipients, and it shows you care about making their experience easy. And that's all there is to it. Adding calendar invites to your HubSpot emails is a quick win. It keeps your audience engaged and helps them remember your events. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any roadblocks, drop a comment below. I'm here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more marketing tips and tricks you can use right away. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.